This is my biography site. On this site, you might notice that sometimes there are fewer visitors and sometimes there are more. The main reason for this is that I cover 10 trending topics every day on this site, which causes the visitors count to fluctuate regularly. The main concern with trending topic is covering them without any misinformation. However, if you directly give trending topic to AI, it will provide incorrect information because it doesn't have the latest updates. In today's video, I will show you how to you cover trending topics without any misinformation and attract thousands of visitors. So let's check it out. First, you need to log in to AI Buster. Then on the sidebar, you will see a menu named Write Informative Article. Click on it and you will find the Write Single Info Article option. By clicking here, you can input the necessary information and write an article as per as requirement. First, you need to provide a keyword. I enter a trending topic, which is Sabrina and Barry breakup. Then as before, you need to turn on or off this option you want to include. After that, you need to specify how many images you want and the source of the images. If you want to add a credit below the image, turn on the caption option. If you want to add videos, specify the number. You can also generate images using AI. But for the biography side, I wouldn't recommend generate image. Next, you will determine how many headings you want. Remember, the more headings you have, the longer the article you will be. Then select your language. If you want to generate France article, you just select the France language. If you want to generate the German article, just select the German language. After that, you can leave everything as it and add the focus keyword for a news or trending topics if you want. You can also add those keywords or names in the entity section. I have already added some focus keywords and entity keywords here. The next option is advanced option. When you click here, you will see some additional options. If you want to provide a custom outline, turn this on. To get a custom outline, go to any news website, take the headings from an article on the same topic and place them here. Make sure to follow a format when placing heading. As an example, is provided start with S2 heading and close with S2 heading. You can also add HTML S3 heading, and the same way the rest will be automatically written by AI. If you want to AI to create the outline itself, turn this off. The main topic of today's video is custom information, so just turn on this custom information option. Then search on Google with the trending topic. Like I want to publish Sabrina and Barry breakup related article, just search on Google and copy the full article from any recent article or news and paste it here. The AI will write the entire article based on the information. This way your article won't have any incorrect information because the news you copied contains entirely accurate information. So you don't have to worry about the accuracy of the information. I copy this and pasted it here. After that, like before, you can add external links, negative keywords, infographics, and if you want to give credit for the infographics, turn that as well. Finally, click on submit. I am now clicking on submit. Let's see how the article is generated. My topic was Sabrina and Barry breakup, and as soon as I click submit, I will wait for a while. After some time, I will see that the article has been completed. So let's wait. I see that the article is completed. Now, as you can see, the information inside the article is 100% accurate. Now, if you want, you can directly publish this article from here to your website. Just select the website and select the category. Then click submit. Now, boom. So summary is, when you write an article on trending topic, the main concern should be providing accurate information. If you don't provide accurate information, the article won't rank because Google has all the information. If you keep incorrect information, your website's rank might be dropped. I hope you now understand how to write trending articles with accurate information. Thank you very much for watching the video. In the next video, I will show you how to you conduct multilingual niche research. So subscribe now and share the video with your friend. Thank you very much. Bye bye.